Where are you guys?
What, up here? Hey, look, bears! There's a baby bear, a lion man.
Are you in Great Wolf Lodge?
Yeah, we're Wolf Lodge.
What's it called?
Wolf Lodge.
And you're in a very nice bunk bed?
Hey, maybe we could share a room. Share our room. Yeah. Put your shoes off.
Do you guys like being up at the top bunk?
Yes.
How fun. Look, a fishing pole.
Let's look down here. Okay. What's seeing that? I was sleeping on top of you, down to middle.
Hey guys, we're officially on vacation. How do you feel?
I feel like I like this room.
Yeah, me too. It's really cool.
Too. I
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah?
It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful in here.
We are ready to party.
We love it. We love
Everybody
it.
needs to get their bracelets on though, and I'll help you get your shoes on.
What?
Let's put our bracelets on.
I'm ready.
You guys having a good time? What did we do today? Did we go swimming in the swimming pools? I had fun with you in the wave pool. I love you guys.
Get that in the evening. Okay? That's a great idea. I thought so too.
Could I get my I'll put the red on here.
Sure. Why don't you get your PJs on and then we'll get a
I
bathing
love
suit
those.
on you.
My buffalo's very hungry. What? My buffalo's very hungry. I'm hungry for a buffalo macaroni.
Hey Toby, what's on your watch?
Some look feet.
Do you like this place?
Yes.
Caitlin, do you like this place?
Yeah. Do you have me share some ears? I do like them. Maybe after breakfast we could get a wolf toy.
Well, I thought we were going to go swimming. Don't you want to go swimming?
I want to go to Mammon too.
Okay.
First we can't get our baby soups on. We need to eat our breakfast first. Okay.
Yeah. Let's eat our breakfast and then get our bathing suits on.
Okay. Hey. Guess what? Guess what, Dad?
What's that, Toby?
We pushed the story. Cute string is about a bear saying that this on a that this was a girl.
Caitlin, what's that? What's that? Yes, it is. Katie, what is that you have here? This pink thing?
Such a good guy.
The pink thing?
Yeah.
This?
Yes.
I'm
It's a wand.
You have to climb the ladder, you goose. You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Good. What did you climb on? What's this?
I don't know.
It's a backpack and a map.
And that's it. Only it has that does have integers and peasants. We can go in so we can.
Yeah, stick your head through the window. Hello. Hello. Welcome to my cabin. Oh no, it fell. It's under the bed, Toby.
Well, I'm good at hiding. I could have sharp eyes.
I bet a lot of toys have fallen under there. Uh-oh. What's that called? Do you remember?
Lantern.
And what's over here?
A squirrel and a fish. And the fish is made out of decoration.
That's because it's a fishing lure. That's a fishing lure. It's to catch fish. See the big hook? Can you point to the hook? Yes. And this is called the bobber. Can you say bobber?
Bobber.
And what's this part called?
A fishing thing.
A fishing pole.
A fishing pole.
Who has a fishing pole? Raise your hand.
We.
Are we gonna go fishing tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, this is made out of paper. I can't believe it.
Don't do that, because it's so beautiful and we want everyone to enjoy it.
I think this is out of paper.
Yeah, we should paint our room like this. What's this, guys?
A map.
A map. We could go exploring, right?
Yeah. I want to go on a dark old river. Explore.
It's called wallpaper.